Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u. First derivative of s square, we have 2s. This one, we have number 1, so we have number 2. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. Next, because we just have only s plus 1, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 cone here and here. So we have u equals to the square root of number 3. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 cone here and here. So we can find the value of u, that is about the square root of number 6. Number 0 we change by this one. Number 1 we change by this one. The square root we change by u. S plus 1 ds we change by u. I forget about the u in here. U du. So u divided by u, we have number 1. The integration of du, we have u, and we put the bounds from the square root of number 3 to the square root of number 6. And now we have the final answer. Now let's go to question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that's it from here. So I will put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to the square root of 0 square plus 16. We have number 4. When s equals to number 3, we put number 3 cone here. 3 square plus 16. We have 25. The square root of number 25, we have number 5. So this one we change by number 4, number 3 we change by number 5. The square root we change by u. S ds we change by u du. So we have the integration from number 4 to number 5 du. So we have the interaction of du, we have u, and we put the bounds from number 4 to number 5, and we have 5 minus 4, that's about number 1. Next, we need to use about interaction bypass. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the s over s dv, that is about the s, the integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we put the bounds from number 1 to e. Minus, we have the integration from number 1 to e. So we have the u multiplied by v. So s divided by s, you got the s. The integration of the s, we have s, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to e. And now we have the final answer. So ln number 1, you got 0. ln e, we have number 1. E minus e, we cancel. Negative, negative, we have positive number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of 3 interactions in here.